Welcome to our guide on how to create a small business website using TurnCage. Today, we'll explore how this innovative platform can help you set up your online presence without any hassle. Choosing the perfect domain name is crucial as it's the first thing customers will notice. Keep it simple, memorable, and relevant to your business. Now let's get started with signing up on TurnCage. Follow these simple steps to create your account and get ready to build your website. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive interface that makes website building a breeze. Let's take a look at its main features. TurnCage offers a variety of customizable templates. Choose one that resonates with your brand's identity, and let's make it yours. Don't forget to add essential pages like home, about, services, and contact. These are key to communicating who you are. If you're selling products or services, TurnCage allows easy integration of e-commerce features to help you get started. SEO is vital for your site's visibility on search engines. Learn how to optimize your site effectively using TurnCage's built-in tools. Before you launch, ensure your website looks great on all devices. Testing is essential for a smooth user experience. Finally, maintaining and updating your website regularly keeps it fresh and relevant. Here are some best practices to follow.